Most people think ginger is just something you add to tea when you have a cold. But what if I told you that this small, spicy root has been used for thousands of years, not just for flavor, but as powerful, natural medicine? And what if one simple daily habit with ginger could help your digestion, reduce inflammation, support your heart, and even stabilize blood sugar? Let's talk about what ginger is really doing inside your body. Because this is not just a kitchen spice. This is a metabolic activator. One, ginger fights inflammation. Naturally, chronic inflammation is one of the hidden drivers behind joint pain, stiffness, fatigue, and even many long-term diseases. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogaols. These natural chemicals act like anti-inflammatory agents inside the body, helping calm inflammatory pathways without the harsh side effects that some medications may cause when overused. Many people dealing with knee pain, arthritis discomfort, or muscle soreness report noticeable improvement when ginger becomes part of their routine. And the best part? It works gently over time, not aggressively but consistently. 2, it supports digestion and reduces bloating. If you often feel bloated, heavy, or uncomfortable after eating, ginger may help more than you think. Ginger stimulates digestive enzymes. It helps food move more efficiently through the stomach. It can reduce nausea, gas buildup, and that sluggish feeling after meals. That is why ginger has long been used for motion sickness, morning nausea, and indigestion. When digestion improves, everything improves, from energy levels to nutrient absorption. 3, ginger may help stabilize blood sugar. This is where it gets very interesting. Some research suggests ginger may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar levels, especially in people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Now, ginger is not a replacement for medication, but as part of a balanced diet, it may support healthier glucose control, which means fewer energy crashes and less stress on the pancreas over time. For anyone focused on metabolic health, that matters. 4, it supports heart health. Heart health is not just about cholesterol numbers. It is about circulation, inflammation, and blood vessel function. Ginger may help reduce LDL oxidation, improve circulation, and slightly lower blood pressure in some individuals. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients move more efficiently through your body, and that affects everything, from brain clarity to physical endurance. 5, ginger strengthens the immune system. Ginger has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. It also helps promote healthy sweating, which supports detoxification pathways. That is one reason warm ginger tea feels so powerful when you are fighting a cold. It is not just comfort, it is active support. Now, here is something important. Ginger is powerful, but more is not always better. Too much can irritate the stomach or interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners. So moderation matters. A small daily amount is enough. Fresh ginger in tea, grated into smoothies, added to soups, or even warm lemon ginger water in the morning. Simple, consistent, effective. The truth is, powerful health support does not always come from expensive supplements or complicated routines. Sometimes it comes from something small, natural, and overlooked, sitting quietly in your kitchen. Ginger will not magically fix everything overnight, but when used consistently, it can support your joints, digestion, metabolism, heart, and immune system in ways that build strength over time. Small roots, big impact. And sometimes, the difference between feeling sluggish and feeling strong starts with one simple daily choice. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried ginger daily? Do you drink ginger tea, add it to smoothies, or cook with it regularly. Comment below and share how you use ginger in your routine. And if you found this helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more natural health insights, and share this with someone who needs a simple way to support their body naturally. Your health is built one daily habit at a time. Let's grow stronger together.